Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I am back with another Pinterest video where I recreate outfits that I have been loving and adding to my Pinterest board. So I'm back with another 4 outfits. You guys know the drill. I love these videos. You love these videos. I love scrolling Pinterest. It's my favorite place to waste time besides like TikTok and Instagram, but I love being able to find pieces or outfits that I love and then using pieces that I already own to recreate them, or find gaps within my own current wardrobe that I'd like to maybe add in if I'm pinning a lot of different outfits and I'm seeing a trend and being like, I need that. Like, I've found that I needed looser jeans and I needed looser shorts, and it's like I'm drawn to those styles and I just need to find some that work best for me. So I found a lot of fun things and really honed in on my style doing these, but I also just find them amazing for utilizing what we already have instead of just like consuming. So without further ado, I have 4 more summery sort of outfits. I have 2 that are like dressier, and then I have 2 that are more like athletic-y, athleisure, if you will, to kind of just throw it in. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and start with look number 1. She is like the queen of outfits. I think her name's Julie. I can't remember. I follow her on Instagram. She had a baby recently. Well, by recently I mean probably years ago. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm bad at stuff like that, but she has got the cutest style. She always, like, I feel like was ahead of the time with trends and just paired outfits together really well. She's just super petite, beautiful hair, beautiful skin. I'm obsessed with her, so I love this outfit. When I saw this outfit, I knew I needed to add a green striped button up to my wardrobe. I already know I love button ups, and I thought this was super cute, and I love it with like denim and a brown sandal. I think it makes it perfect for the spring and summertime. So she has it like very unbuttoned, so we're gonna see how I do with this, but I love this look and I love her style in general. I'm always pinning her outfits. So let's see how I do with look number 1. I'm gonna put on a pair of light jeans and then this little green striped button up, and then we'll come back and we will accessorize like the queen. Cannot think of her name, starts with a J. I think it's Juliana, or I'm not sure, but she's stunning. So let's swap one striped button up for another, shall we? I saw this TikTok the other day of like this girl, it's like just going about my day, and she's just like doing random things, and she's like, I'm working late because I'm a singer, and I've literally had that in my head all day. I think it's by the artist Sabrina Carpenter, I want to say, but it's like, I don't know why it's so catchy in my head, but it is so insanely catchy in my head. So I recently bought this button up from Zara. Zara has been crushing it lately in my world. I'm gonna throw on my little Levi 501s. I think hers are a bit more cropped, but I think I'm just gonna cuff up the bottom. Oops, I always forget these have a button. I think I'm just gonna cuff up the bottom and throw on my little Orions, I don't know what the heck they're called. But I'm gonna throw those on and see. And I think she does have a front top as well. So let's see. You guys can see more than I can. Throw on my sandals. And let's see, let's do a little cuff. I just don't want anything too cropped. I do have some cropped jeans from Abercrombie, but I was thinking I like the look of these a little bit better. Okay, oh, I guess hers is not green. What in my right mind was I thinking that was green for? From far away, does it kind of look green? Girl, that is black and white striped. Oh wow, we're going with it, okay? So her boobs are like fully out. That explains why she has black sandals on. Am I colorblind? That was wild. Okay, anyway, she has no cuffs in her sleeves, which is so unlike me. But I think she's a full tuck all the way around. So let's tuck these in. I can't believe I really thought that was green. Wow, I didn't realize until I like zoomed in on the picture. I hope I'm not the only one that saw it like that. She clearly does not have a bra on, but I can tell you that I would not be comfortable doing that, so I will not be doing that. Okay, so we're tucked in. She has her sleeves just like out and about, and that's pretty much it. She has a little straw bag, so I'm gonna grab my straw bag, and she's holding a pair of Ray-Bans. You can see this is such a cute look. This is such a good basic, like going to sit on a patio and have dinner or drinks or just doing literally anything. I love this. Very cute details where like this is fully tucked in, you've got a big deep V, cuff at the jean. These small little details might not seem like much, but they're so important. Hopefully you can't hear the weed whackers outside. It's lawn day apparently. So cute bag. Hers is a much more bigger sized, oversized tote, which I have, but I think this is more in my realm, and that one has black details where this has brown, so it matches the sunny or the sandals. So you could also throw this on with a belt, which would be really cute to add a detail, but I am loving this look. So I think it turned out cute, besides the fact that I thought she had a green shirt on, but I like it anyway. So here is look number 1. Let me know what you guys think, how'd I do, and if you're on the hunt for some really good button-ups. And I feel like these button-ups, they're made of this weird material, which is probably not natural. It's a man-made fiber for show, but it doesn't wrinkle, which is great, and it holds like a crisp line. It's perfection. I own this in so many different colors. So let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2 was inspired because I bought this blue sweater. I think I showed it in like 2 videos ago in my Pinterest, or I'm not sure when I showed it, but I love this sweater. I think it's so cute. I always envisioned a blue sweater with white bottoms, so I paired it with white shorts in a previous one, and now I'm doing it with a skirt. So I'm excited to see how this comes together. Hopefully it comes together. Like, she looks super cute and very like, I don't know, this reminds me of an outfit I would have worn when I was living in Japan and just like running errands for the day. Very, very basic, very cute, colorful, and springtime appropriate. So let's see how I do with look number 2. All right, our next girl, we're going to channel her little city vibes. I feel like she's giving city vibes. She has a little white skirt on and a white tee, and then we're gonna accessorize as always. But let's put our hair up, which is great because my hair's just been the bane of my existence recently. I don't know what is going on with me, but I hate it. Just throw this in a bun. I bought this like white little like poplin skirt so long ago, and I feel like I never knew how much I would honestly use it, and I use it all the time. It's just such a good basic piece. Abercrombie doesn't sell it currently, but I found some similar. It's from Abercrombie, but it's a good length. It's just good. It's not see-through. It's just good. It's good basic. Okay, now for shoes, she's wearing ballet flats, which I wore these the other day. I got a compliment on them, and I was like, yay. Scott was wrong. If you watched my last video, and now they're filthy. Oh well, such is life. Hers are like a full nude, but I don't own just nude ones, so we're using what I got, which are these little bedazzled fellers, which I love, are from Target. And then her shirt is pretty much like over the whole thing. It's crazy how these two whites like very much match so well. Anyway, I love that. Okay, then a giant sweater. I think a sweater over a skirt like this is so cute. So this has like been my new favorite obsession, this sweater, I swear. And hers is V-neck as well, so it works with this look because it's layered. She's layered over a tee. And it kind of just hangs down like this. Oh, it almost gives like it's a dress, but it's not a dress. Hers is like a little, no, I feel like this is like dead on. She has like a cognac kind of colored bag, and I have this one from Undar, which I thought would be really cute, and a very good like city bag. This is why it reminded me of like when I lived in Japan, because I would wear backpacks everywhere since I didn't have like a car to put all my stuff in. I would do this, and then I'd probably throw in a pair of cute little sunnies. And probably my headphones as well. But this is just so cute. I love this look way more than I thought I would. And I would never put this together ever in a million years. But it's giving, she's put together, she took time, but she's also just like very casual and comfy and cute. I love this. I think I nailed look number 2. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay, look number 3, I've seen this outfit quite a few times, and I'm very drawn to the biker shorts and the oversized tee look, and I felt like I didn't have anything like that, or like ever wear an outfit like that. I just never gravitate towards that, so I wanted to see how it would look on me. I did pick up this shirt, but I do really love oversized t-shirts. I picked this up from Target the other day, and it was really affordable, but I like oversized t-shirts, whether I wear shorter shorts or biker shorts or whatever. I just love them to sleep in, to wear. I'm a big t-shirt kind of girl, so I knew I would get my use out of this, but pair it with a pair of dad sandals or dad sneakers and socks, and I think it could look cute, but I always worry about these outfits. So let's see how I do with look number 3. So we've got like 2 really comfy, casual, kind of like athleisure looks. So I'm gonna change into a pair of black biker shorts. I think hers are navy blue, but I don't own any. And we're gonna change into like a blue little shirt, and then you know the drill, we'll accessorize. Oh my god, you guys, if you know, I work with Dossier all the time, and I never buy real fragrances anymore. The other day I was watching a Lindsay Hughes vlog, and she mentioned, I think she meant to say her bag was a Coach Tabby, but she said Coach Poppy, and I was like, what? That's the fragrance I used to wear when I was in college. So my little happy booty ran over to Amazon and bought this because I couldn't remember what it smelled like, but it smells so good, and I'm obsessed with it. It smells good, but it's I think for me now, it more smells just like memories, and I'm obsessed with it. So if you were a Coach Poppy girl, they no longer sell it, I don't think, because I can only find it on Amazon. But it's pretty affordable, and I love it. So yeah, I don't know why, it just reminded me back then. I remember, and I was just like, oh, I need that right now. So that's what I did. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and swap out this white tee for this royal blue one that I just grabbed. It's not the same kind of blue, but it's as close as I could get. I kind of feel like the look of like big baggy shirts and biker shorts are very like 90s, but I kind of like it. She has a baseball hat and then some socks and sneaks and such. So let's pop on our socks and sneakers first. I put the little bride laces, those like stretchy laces that you can get off Amazon, into these shoes, and game changer. Game changer, because it's just like so easy to flip on and slip off, and they look cute. I love them, and I tuck the laces in. So I've been loving that, because these are a good slip and go shoe, you know? And the last laces that I had on them were just like not it, so, okay. I don't know, it's giving very much 90s mom. Okay, now she has a hat on, a little baseball cap. I'm gonna go with this one. What are we thinking so far? Just clearly out at a coffee shop. This is a good like walk outfit where you don't feel like you're exposed. Do you know what I mean? Like you got your hat on for sun protection, you got longer shorts and a longer shirt so you don't feel like, you know, anyone's gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna snatch her up. I mean, they could, but anyway, a little gray sweater over the shoulder moments. You know what, I would honestly like to not wear a bra with it, or wear like a bralette, because I feel like when you wear oversized baggy shirts and you have boobs, it kind of just like goes outwards. If it's flatter, does that make sense? It's like makes you look less big in the front. So I would probably wear a bralette or a sports bra with this look. But it's cute. This sweater just doesn't sit very well on the shoulders. It's not my personal fave for over the shoulders situation, but this is the look. I think it's very cute. I don't know. I feel like the socks with the longer short makes me just look beefy. I'm probably crazy, or maybe I'm not. Maybe it really does make me look beefy, but I don't know. This is exactly what hers looks like. I just feel like maybe, I don't know. It's okay. It's cute. I would probably do, I think this is the millennial in me, I would slightly do a tuck. Just because I feel like it gives you shape. Don't know what it is, but this changed the whole look. I love it because you can tell where my waist is. This, done, love, because I feel like it elongates my leg. She's just tall, I think, so it naturally just looks good on her. So if you're not, I feel like I'm like, I don't know, I'm mid, but I would give it a slight tuck. Not a full tuck, just like here's my waist, okay? I think it just elongates the look and looks a little bit better, but that's it. That was look number 3. Let's move on to look number 4. And then look number 4, she is so cute. I love this look with the like sweat shorts. I think sweat shorts are awesome. I own 2 pair, and I probably need more because I wear them so frequently. I even wear them out of the house because I do think they look nice. And the difference between them and sweatpants, I love sweatpants, don't get me wrong, all winter long, but I feel like they look less, you know how the tendency of sweatpants can like, your butt can like poof out and it can just look a little sloppy. Sweat shorts I feel like don't do that on me. I love the ones from Abercrombie, and I think this is really cute. I have a couple of different sweatshirt options because I don't have the perfect pair like she does, but we're gonna see how I make it work, and I think this is gonna be really cute as well. So let's go ahead and see how I do with look number 4. Okay, so look number 4, I'm gonna actually keep these shoes on. We're gonna swap our bikers for, oops, these little like gray sweat shorts. Like these are the same length, but for some reason, because they have this like beveled look to them, I guess I could always do that. It just looks better. I don't know how to explain it, but let's pop these on. I'm gonna keep my shoes, or well, I'm gonna put these shoes back on. Thanks to my red laces, it makes it easy. So sweat shorts on, sneaks back on. Now she has a royal blue sweater, like sweatshirt type thing. I have a couple of options, okay? I'm thinking, well, I don't think I'm gonna pair this with it, but I wanted to show her because it's so cute. From the new Pickleball Prince collection from Target. How adorable is this like rugby style-esque, like, I mean like the different colors situation? Adorable. So I got that. I was thinking about wearing it with this. I think I'm gonna, but I do also have some other royal blue. I have this that I wore the heck out of, my little Lululemon Scuba, and then this one from Halara. But I think we're gonna go with this because I think it'll tie in the green of the rest of the outfit. So let's pop that on. I do need a tee underneath because it's like a quarter zip, so I'm just gonna throw a tee on because I don't like the look of where it's just like skin up here. I don't know, I just don't. I can remove the tag on that one. I got an extra large because I wanted it to be oversized, but I thought this was really cute. They've got a couple of different colors / styles that say like either prints or just have the P. And I liked just the P. I just think this is so cute. It gives like very like retro kind of vintagey vibes. I don't know, I loved it. And then she has a baseball hat. Well, she has a trucker hat. And I have this green one, which I thought would tie green with this. And be, oh, I love it. And the cream with this, nailed it. And then she has like a tote on. I was thinking this little tote. Like, don't I just look like I could go play pickleball or just be cool? I'm gonna go with the second one. I've never played pickleball in my life. I'm sure it's fun, but I've never played. So this is it. And this is the outfit I strategically did last because I'm gonna live in this for the rest of the day because it's so good. So nailed it. I love this. Again, my take, I think to be more accurate to hers, it would have been this, but I think the green looks so much better. So that's look number 4. Alright you guys, that's it. That wraps up my 4 spring/summer outfits that I was inspired to recreate from my Pinterest board. Again, I think these videos are really fun and really show you that you don't have to have the exact same piece to make a look work. And I think Pinterest is a much better way to kind of like get inspiration than necessarily, I don't know, Pinterest or Instagram or TikTok, because some of those are all like new, where it's like Pinterest, you don't know when that outfit was created. And I think it also shows that fashion is not all just trends. It's fun to like pop in and out of trends, but like stick to your basics, stick to your classics, and you can't go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite outfit was out of the 4 down below, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.